Anambra State House of Assembly has organized a public hearing at the state legislative complex for the Igbo Apprenticeship, the Bill 2024, where masters and apprentices welcomed the hearing and said it will help strengthen a system that has produced many successful business people in the state and beyond. Emmanuel Chibata has that story.
The hearing opened. The Speaker of the Assembly, Right Honorable Somtochukwu Udeze, said it would prevent abuse, promote transparency, and preserve a key cultural and economic practice in Igbo society.
This issue of labor for the apprentice system is the power behind the nation. Other nations are learning it, so we feel it's better for us to have a law.
What we're just trying to do is to make sure that we rid our streets of criminals and of Yahoo boys and all these people that are disturbing us, so that we will be one way or the other engaged into something meaningful.
The chairman, House Committee on Commerce, Trade and Industry, Honorable Innocent Ujike, in his submission, said the bill would also boost investors' confidence and standardize the traditional system to align with global best practices.
When I finished my SS3, my mother took me to one of my uncle, in which I went there and I served him. After serving him, I was settled, and I started my own business. So it's a case study. Igbo boy will help Igbo to develop themselves.
From the State House of Assembly, Emmanuel Chibata for ABS News.